was on fire for you. Where did you go?
And I've been wanting to learn for like the last month. Every wave, I'm just gonna try drop knee. Holy shit. I can't believe I almost did that. Holy shit. What's up, everybody? A lot of you have been requesting that I do some drop knee. And I've been wanting to learn for like the last month. So I've always felt like the best way to learn something, especially on bodyboard, is to just try it over and over. So for the next hour, every wave, I'm just gonna try drop knee. And we'll see what happens. Should be fun, I'm stoked. Yeah. Holy shit. I can't believe I almost did that. Holy shit.